I'm a short love, I'm not run down no man.
Andrew. So Andrew Wellness, the Prime Minister. So this is going to be a very interesting video. But before we jump into the clips, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel so you are updated on the latest happenings in dancehall. Leave a comment, leave a like on the video, and share. Stay tuned. So yesterday we see where Vybz Kartel finally landed in St. Vincent. He took off on a private jet, him and his fiancée, his lawyer. And it looks like he linked up with a few people who are, you know, interested in helping him getting better for the show for December 31st. So take a look at this.
Ready? Yeah. People. Buffel, Isaac, Amal and Samuel is gonna kill me. If not, do me people are dead. Yeah? No, we don't see them. I'm out. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah, people, so as you can see, it's all about him health and him try to get himself in shape. He did say on Anthony interview, say I'm going to travel to St. Vincent, Cuba, also other small islands to see if he can treat the Graves' disease, you know, if he come back to the best of himself. You understand? Speaking of Anthony Miller though, they did two parts of the interview and I didn't see this part. He had a message for Kraft, Skilly Bang, Roger Wild, and all our young youth them in a dancehall. This was a positive message. We don't know how them feel left out the party, but take a listen and hear what I'm saying.
Voodoo chop, Craft God, 450. You know, Chronic Lance Squash. You know them youth there are my dog them. But me I thought like Skilly Bang. You know what I mean? Couple youth there, the Roger Wild.
And then a big up all our young youth them. Them a do it. Them a do it while he was away. Speaking of young youth, Masicka went live, I think yesterday or the day before, and he said something along the lines of, you know, every ghetto youth is a king, all the way a king. And he also mentioned, say, like, him and one are done. You know, Kartel say one done. So it is alleged that he was, you know, immature word, but I don't know. I was looking in the media and that's what they're saying. And I wonder who immature word after, but Unu look and tell me what Unu think.
Egmonton, you outside, anyone got ready? One, come back, lad. Remember that. And every black man, remember me telling you, yeah, get your youth. Richer for music like jugs. Now go back poor, remember that blood clad. Own that, no program. Every get your youth at king, remember me telling you that, yeah? No program in the earth. Bad skull. Oh, buck lad. Yeah man, when you make the money, don't waste it, yeah? You have some boy at talk about if them didn't know. Mad? Get to you rich forever. Hold up on the blood clot and not take no program. You hear that? God alone I'm done. Boy, you have to know that.
So you hear from the horse's mouth in saying I'm own done and all of them are king. It is alleged that they were saying that it's Vybz Kartel, but I don't know who is he throwing shades at. They said that because Alkaline, went to Trinidad and declared, say, "Aye, they're still there, you know." So people were saying, what make the rest of artists them so quiet? So they must say, Masicka come out now to say, alright, yeah, me still there too. All the way a king. But only time I think in the comment section. The other day, Shawty went live and she had some words for the haters. The other day, you know, she was being constantly talked about in the media, and she took back from the live for a little while, and she come back the other day now, and she has some words for her haters. But before we jump into this clip,
Son and my grandson, them love me everything better than you. It's supposed to show, of course. I'm a big one. I never come back to nobody where you say me a girl. But you say, I'm sure no me look better than you on your fake page.
when I remember the video where they with this guy masked up and they threaten Andrew Holness. He's another person masked up. We have a message for Andrew Holness, so check this out.
This is a message I got to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness. Mr. Andrew Holness. This is a message I go to you. I come from Clarendon. That's what I say. I sent them, I don't tell her this. I no matter if you want to send police or soldier for me. I don't care if you want to send police or soldier for me. That's what I say. I don't care. Matter of fact, I not in a hide my face. Not in a hide my face. Mr. Andrew, good evening, sir. How you do? You know, say, from this time past, me get a little damage. And I look so material for me house, Mr. Andrew. Please, my beg you, please. Please, Mr. Andrew. Mr. Andrew, me not do like you rest them, you know. Me not do like you rest them, I swear. Me not do like you rest them. Who I can tell about your mother and I tell about your wife and all these things. Me not do like them, Mr. Andrew. I will never do that. Mr. Andrew, please, me I beg you. Please help me out here. Mr. Andrew, me I go leave me number. Please give me a call. And if anybody say this video and you know, so you can get in touch with the Prime Minister, please make it know. Me I go leave me number. 876-543-8845. Please, Mr. Andrew, please enjoy the rest of the evening, sir. You and your wife. Bless up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. Have a
That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.